Number. And before I get to my question, I will draw some similarities between 1990 and today. We had a despot in power in 1990, we have a despot today. Moi consolidated power in 1990, Ruto has consolidated power today. We were in a one-party state in 1990, we are in a one-party state today. Yes. We are in the same situation we were in 1990. So telling us that we have a reason to celebrate is mocking us. We do not have a reason to celebrate. The only thing we'll celebrate tomorrow is Albert Ojwang's birthday. Celebration still next year, July, Sabasaba. We do not have any business to celebrate. As I get to my question, what then happens if the people are tired of the marriage they are in? If the people want to divorce their president? What happens if the people want to destroy the social contract between them and the government? Do we then invoke Article 1 and say that we the people want to impeach the president, that we the people want to recall the president, and that we want to tell President William Ruto to resign as early as tonight before we get to tomorrow? My question is, yes. Are we allowed to invoke Article 1 and impeach the president?
Okay.
All right.